A CloudOps engineer is tasked with restricting access to Amazon DynamoDB across all member accounts within an AWS organization structure. Because local account administrators have access to root credentials in these accounts, the engineer must ensure that these administrators cannot bypass the restriction. The solution must strictly prohibit DynamoDB usage while ensuring that all other AWS services remain functional for the teams. Which method provides the most effective enforcement?
A professional IAM policies to every member account that explicitly deny DynamoDB usage for all entities, including root. Option B, establish a service control policy, or SCP, within the management account that denies all DynamoDB operations and attach it to the organization root. Option C, update the local IAM policies in each member account to revoke Amazon DynamoDB full access for all users, including the root user. Option D, delete the existing default SCP in the management account and replace it with a new SCP that contains a single statement denying DynamoDB access.
This scenario tests your understanding of multi-account management within AWS. The central challenge here is preventing local account administrators who have full root-level control over their individual accounts from bypassing centrally imposed security restrictions. You need to consider which AWS feature is capable of overriding local administrative permissions to enforce a company-wide guardrail, ensuring compliance regardless of the actions taken by local users.
In my view, the correct answer is option B. Service control policies are the primary tool for implementing organizational guardrails. They define the maximum permissions allowed in member accounts, effectively overriding any permissions that a local administrator might try to grant. Because these policies are enforced at the organization level, even an administrator with root credentials in a member account cannot circumvent the restriction, making it the most robust solution for this requirement. Options A and C are incorrect because local IAM policies are managed within the individual account. Since local administrators hold root credentials, they have the power to modify or delete these policies, rendering them ineffective for persistent, centrally mandated restrictions. Option D is incorrect because deleting the default full AWS access SCP is not necessary and does not inherently create or apply the required restrictive policy to the organization. Remember for your exam, when you need to enforce a mandatory guardrail across multiple accounts, always look to SCPs.